YouTube's 2025 algorithm update just changed the game for content creators, especially those using AI-generated avatars like C.AI.sey. The platform is now prioritizing engagement, authenticity, and transparency, which means AI-powered content needs to be more interactive and human-like than ever to perform well. So, what does this mean for creators like me using AI tools to streamline production? Let's dive in. And if you have questions about these updates, drop them in the comments, and I'll do a deep dive in a future video. In today's episode, we go behind the scenes into the very creation of the avatar you're watching now. Hey there, I'm Casey, and welcome to a little behind the scenes look at how I'm using AI to streamline my content creation. If you've been following along, you know I'm diving into the world of AI tools, video editing, and content creation. And one of my biggest time savers is C.AI.sey, my digital avatar. Instead of recording every video myself, I can use HeyGen's NextGen AI technology to bring C.AI.sey to life and focus more on research, storytelling, and delivering engaging, high-quality content for you. But here's where I need your input. I'm experimenting with different looks and styles for C.AI.sey to see what best represents my channel. Do you prefer a more polished, professional vibe, a relaxed, friendly approach, or something totally different? Make sure to vote in the community poll on my YouTube channel, or drop a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. I'm exploring tons of tools to make learning fun, engaging, and accessible, and I'd love to hear from you as I fine-tune this process. Your feedback is super valuable as I shape the future of DataRx, AI, and tech in healthcare. Can't wait to see what you think. Let's build something amazing together.
So after you have uploaded at least 10 to 20 pictures of yourself and you've went through the steps to create your custom avatar, you can go to the left side pane here, and under assets, you can click on avatars, and you can see here I have 3 looks. If we go in here, I can create a video with any of these looks. You simply click and then create with AI Studio. We're going to go with landscape for video. All right, once you're here, you can go to script on the left pane and type your script here. If you want to change your voice, depending on which of the looks you've given it, you can here.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
These were all recordings that I've given it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
We'll go with this one. Next, you will type your script here. Next, we will need to trim the video to match the script at the end's time length. And once we've done that, we can hit submit. And I like to change the frames per second to at least 30. And then we wait for it to be created.
Hey there, I'm Casey, and I'm excited to introduce you to C.AI.sey, my AI-powered avatar designed to make my content creation process faster, smoother, and more efficient. If you've been following my channel, DataRx, AI and tech in healthcare, you know that I love diving deep into data, AI, and healthcare policy. But let's be real, creating high-quality videos takes a lot of time. Between scripting, recording, editing, and refining every detail, the process can be overwhelming. That's where C.AI.sey comes in. With NextGen AI technology, I no longer have to set up my camera, worry about lighting, or spend hours reshooting takes. Instead, C.AI.sey, a digital version of me, delivers my content with consistent quality and efficiency every time. So, what does this mean for my content? Faster video production, no more waiting for the perfect recording session, more focus on research and storytelling. I can put my energy into deep diving into the topics that matter. Better scalability, more videos, more insights, and more value for you, my audience. With C.AI.sey, I can streamline my workflow and bring you even more engaging, data-driven content without sacrificing quality. And the best part? You still get the same Casey, just with a futuristic twist. So, are you ready to see what this AI-powered revolution in content creation looks like? Let's dive in and explore how C.AI.sey is changing the game.
Only to find yourself drowning in unexpected medical debt.
All right, so then we're going to check face is visible. There are pauses between sentences. You're looking directly into the camera, which I'm not great about. This is one I did earlier. I will show you.
Hey, Casey, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey there, I'm Casey, and if you've been following along, you already know that I'm diving headfirst into content creation. But here's the thing, I'm still figuring it all out. From video editing to AI tools, I've been exploring a ton of different platforms to make my content more engaging, entertaining, and accessible to a wide audience. And today, I want to talk about one of the coolest tools I've been playing with, AI avatars. You've already met C.AI.sey, my digital AI version, but guess what? She doesn't have to look the same every time. I can experiment with different styles, outfits, and even ways she presents information. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, trying out different looks to see what fits best. But here's where I need your help. What kind of look do you think would best represent my channel? Should C.AI.sey have a more professional, polished vibe, or should she have a more casual, friendly look? Maybe I should try different outfits for different types of videos, like lab coats for data deep dives and casual wear for more relaxed content. I'm totally open to suggestions because, at the end of the day, my goal is to make learning fun, engaging, and accessible for everyone. I don't just want to throw data at you, I want to bring it to life. So, if you've got experience with AI avatars, video editing, or any awesome content creation tools, please drop your recommendations in the comments. I'm learning as I go, and I'd love to hear what works for you. This journey is all about experimenting, growing, and finding new ways to make my content stand out. So let's build something amazing together. And if you want to see more behind the scenes content on how I'm evolving my channel, make sure to like this video and subscribe for the ride. Can't wait to hear your thoughts.
Don't forget to vote in our YouTube community page. Thank you for watching.